Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, May 6, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, scholars, we saw some amazing scholars during their reading class not only read, but also when they were answering questions, they went back and they found their textual evidence. They went back in the story and found where and when or why the things happened in the story that the questions were asking. So nice job, scholars. I also saw that scholars were doing an amazing job with their math facts. Keep it up, scholars. Scholars, remember, in math, you have to make sure that you annotate and use all the parts of it. Third grade, don't get tricked by those simple words that you may not use, so you got to make sure and count them when you're needing them in your problem. All right, scholars, it's going to be an amazing day. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot! Miss Cavazos and Miss C. Ramos's pre-K afternoon classes. Have an amazing day. Keep up all the great work you're doing, and I'll see you at drop-off. Bye!